A baby learns to walk by falling. A dog learns by treats. AI learns the exact same way. Here's a question that sounds simple, but almost nobody can answer it. How does AI actually learn? Not what it is, not where it's used. How does it go from knowing nothing to being smarter than humans at certain tasks? I'm going to explain this using something you've done 1,000 times and playing a game. Stick with me. This is going to click hard. By the end of this video, you'll understand the exact process AI uses to learn. And you'll never see training in AI as some mysterious black box again. Think about the first time you played a tricky video game level. You tried to jump, you failed, game over. You tried again, slightly different timing, failed again, but less badly. After enough tries, your brain learned the exact timing. Now you do it without thinking. You didn't read a manual that gave you the perfect timing. You learned it through trial, error, and feedback. That is exactly how AI learns. Here's the loop AI repeats millions of times. Step 1, make a guess. The AI looks at data and makes a prediction. At first, it's basically random, like your first jump in that game. Step 2, check the answer. The AI compares its guess to the correct answer. Was it close? Was it way off? Step 3, adjust and improve. Based on how wrong it was, the AI tweaks itself slightly, just like you adjusted your jump timing. Guess, check, adjust, then repeat thousands, millions, sometimes billions of times. Each loop, the AI gets a tiny bit better. Eventually, it's an expert. Now here's the part that will blow your mind. An AI learning to play a video game starts off terrible. It loses instantly, over and over, but it tries this loop. Guess, check, adjust, thousands of times per minute. Within hours, it's better than most humans. Within days, it's unbeatable. Not because it's smart from the start, because it failed fast and learned faster. ChatGPT learned the same way, but with words instead of game moves. It was shown a sentence with a word hidden. It guessed the word. Checked the real answer. Adjusted. It did this billions of times, across nearly the entire internet. That's why it can write like a human. It practiced more than any human ever could. Quick recap. AI learns through a loop. Guess, check, adjust. It repeats this loop an insane number of times. Each repeat makes it a tiny bit smarter. That's it. That's the secret. Repetition at a scale humans can't match. Here's why this matters to you. This loop, guess, check, adjust, isn't just how AI learns. It's literally how you get better at anything. Coding, sports, exams. AI just does it at a scale and speed humans physically can't. Understanding this loop is understanding the core idea behind every AI system that exists.
Guess, check, adjust, repeat, 1 billion times. That's how AI gets smart. But wait, for AI to guess, check, and adjust, it needs something to learn from. That thing is called data. And in the next video, I'll break down exactly what data is, and why it's called the fuel of AI. Subscribe so you don't miss it, and drop a comment. Have you ever learned something through trial and error like this? See you in video 5.